guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find login alert settings on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on your on these three lines here. Now click settings and now click personal details. Here you will find password and security settings. Click on it and now here, as you see, you will find it. You will find the login alert settings. Here you can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find login alert settings on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.